How can I respect and appreciate Irish culture during my travels? If you're planning a trip to Ireland and want to make the most of your experience by respecting and appreciating the local culture, you're in the right place. Let's break down some essential tips to help you blend in and enjoy your time in this beautiful country. First, let's talk about dressing the part. In Ireland, comfort and practicality are key. The weather can be unpredictable, so layers are a must. Opt for nice, casual clothing and comfortable shoes for walking in cities, and consider water-resistant outerwear and sturdy shoes for exploring the countryside. Avoid wearing typical tourist attire like Aran sweaters and tweed caps if you want to blend in. Learning a few basic Irish phrases can go a long way. Every Irish person has a few words of the Irish language, known as cúpla focal. Simple phrases like hello, diagwid, goodbye, slán, thank you, go raibh maith agat, and cheers, slánta can make a big difference. It shows respect for the culture and can even impress locals in rural areas. Slow down and enjoy the local social scene. In Ireland, life moves at a slower pace. Take time to chat with locals in pubs, join traditional music sessions, or strike up conversations with people you meet. This concept of crack, a mix of fun, laughter, and good company, is central to Irish culture. Exploring beyond the main attractions is also important. While sites like the Cliffs of Moher and the Guinness Storehouse are must-sees, there are many off-the-beaten-path spots waiting to be discovered. These areas offer breathtaking landscapes, warm hospitality, and a glimpse into local life without the crowds. Using public transportation is a great way to experience Ireland like a local. Ireland has an extensive network of buses and trains that can take you almost anywhere. Consider taking a train or bus for short trips, and don't hesitate to strike up conversations with fellow travelers. You might get some insider tips. Respecting local customs and traditions is crucial. When visiting churches or sacred sites, dress modestly, keep your voice low, and behave respectfully. If you're in a pub during a traditional music session, keep your voice down and show appreciation for the musicians. Ireland's weather is famous for its unpredictability, so be prepared. Embrace the rain as part of the Irish experience. Wear layers, bring a waterproof jacket, and have a plan B for particularly wet days. You can spend your afternoon in a museum, gallery, or by a fire in a pub listening to stories. Supporting local businesses is another way to appreciate Irish culture. Opt for family-run accommodations, dine in locally owned pubs or restaurants, and browse shops that promote local artisans. This not only gives you an authentic experience but also supports the local economy. When interacting with locals, be polite and respectful. Greet people with a friendly hello or what's the crack? And use please and thank you often. Irish hospitality is renowned, so reciprocate by being kind and courteous. Participate in local festivals and events respectfully. If you're in Dublin during St. Patrick's Day, for example, follow the customs by wearing green or attending a traditional dance gathering. These events offer a glimpse into Ireland's rich cultural heritage. Dining in Ireland is a social activity, so use proper table manners. Wait for your host to begin eating, use your knife and fork, and compliment the chef if you've enjoyed the meal. Tipping is appreciated but not obligatory. A service charge is often included in your bill. Finally, ask before taking photos, especially during religious ceremonies or in private spaces. This shows respect for people's privacy and sacred moments. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to respecting and appreciating Irish culture, making your trip a memorable and authentic experience.